Guys, we have a 2022 Ford Ranger. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. Open up the glove box like that. I'm going to push this over, push each side over so these tabs can get out of the way and this will drop. From there, you're going to pull these in. That opens up just like that, and this is the cabin air filter. So you remove it like that. See if it shows airflow is pointed down. So we'll just put it back in when you're done. I don't have the one that I ordered yet. So put it in. Make sure that snaps in place. And then we're just gonna push this up. That's all you gotta do, it's really easy. Thanks for watching.